Hello everyone, my name is Pablo Velandia. I'm studying business management in UNAT. I am in 8th semester. This video is to show you the spelling of my name, the first and last name, and the second part is to show you two images of my house using there is and there are. Okay, the spelling of my name is Pablo Velandia. The spelling would be Pablovelandia. The first image of my house would be this. Uh, there are a lot of couches. There are four couches or sofas. There is a desk in the center of this room, of this living room. There is a big pictures with flowers of several colors. There is old lamp. In this case, we have two. There are two lamps. There are a lot of pillows over the couch. Um, there is a photo uh, close to the lamp, and that's it. Um, the second image is an study room. There is a laptop on my desk. There are four chairs. There is an ashtray. There is a plant. There are a lot of books over on the shelf. There are three pictures on the wall. Uh, there is a white lamp, and there is a black lamp as well. Um, and that's it. This is the description of some parts of my house. Thank you.